ultimately why you're installing it. You're competing against the price of grid electricity, and as long as grid electricity keeps going up, because our price here is driven by the price of natural gas, carbon tax, those types of things, as long as solar is comparable with the price of grid electricity or cheaper, it's going to be a value-added proposition. Electricity in most places is generated at a central power plant, whether that's coal, natural gas, hydro, whatever, and injected into the grid. From the grid, it flows around to the loads and comes into the building through your meter. When you install solar on the building roof, that offsets what you're drawing from the grid, and if you have excess, it'll push back through the meter. So in Alberta, we install what's called a bi-directional meter. That's free of charge. The utilities have to do it, and it records power flows in both directions. So you pay your contract rate when it's coming in, and you get paid your contract rate when it's going out. Or if you're a really large generator, you'll actually get the spot market price when it's going out, and there's some very interesting value adds that come out of that. Generally in Alberta, we're not installing battery systems on industrial buildings, and that's because the business case just isn't there yet. Where batteries make a lot of sense is in places like California, where your price of electricity is 2 to 3 times higher than it is here. If you're building an off-grid cabin, for example, maybe the nearest power line is 5-10 kilometers away. It's going to cost you a lot of money to bring in power. Well, you could put solar and battery there instead.